Hello everyone, today I am back with another video. I'll share my banking and insurance exam strategy which I followed, and any repeater or a beginner can get help from this. So let's get started. First of all, we'll talk about reasoning section. In reasoning, if you are a beginner, you can clear your concepts and basic topics you can cover from Sanjay sir videos. His channel name is Art of Reasoning, and you can watch his one-shot videos for each specific topic. And he also teaches critical reasoning, so you can watch his videos. They are really good and I will recommend him. Now for practice, after you have covered your topics, you can practice from Guidely PDF bundle, and you can solve any sectionals which you can get from any other app. I specifically mentioned Guidely PDF bundle because it has a lot of questions from basic to advanced level, so you can just attempt and suit yourself. And this is not any sponsored video, I just find it helpful, so I am recommending you all. Now this is enough for reasoning, and reasoning is all about practice. Once you have covered your topic, now the second stage is just practice and improve your speed in it. So that's all about reasoning section. And mind you, the practicing is the soul of any subjects, so keep in mind that. Now moving to English section. For English, I recommend Varun sir because he explains every concept very easily, and I really like his teaching skills. So Varun sir videos, and he also takes marathon for topic wise, like error detection, parajumble and all other concepts. So first you just watch topic wise videos from him, then you can come and practice, and you can again practice from Guidely PDF bundle or any sectionals which you can find freely or paid in apps like Adda or Olive Board or Practice Mock or Textbook. So this is all about English, and English is all about practicing. You can never be a master of grammar or anything, but you just have to be in touch with English daily, so you cannot skip it or you will lose touch from it. And for vocab etc., you can follow any editorial session, either Alpha Banker or Nimisha ma'am editorial, they are good. So for English, this is it, and it will improve slowly. So if you are not getting marks, don't get afraid, it will get better for sure. Now for quant section, I recommend Kaushik sir or Ashish sir videos, and I also know that Harshal sir is amazing for mains, but for starters you can choose either of these teachers and just cover the basic concept and basic videos, and go in this sequence. First cover your miscellaneous, then DI, and then arithmetic. But make sure you don't skip arithmetic, because sooner or later you will realize that it cannot be skipped. Because if you even clear pre without arithmetic, you have to do this topic for your main. So better to read it, better to master it now than at the deadline. So this is my recommendation. And again, for practicing, you can practice from Guidely PDF bundle, because I just recently saw that they have released topic wise questions for arithmetic sections, which I think is great. And you can like solve level wise, easy, then medium, then hard, so it's good. And I also know that some people are afraid of quants, but see, this thing I realized later, that you have to get good in quants no matter how much you hate it. But still, there's enough time for us, for repeater or for beginners, so we can improve our mistakes and our weaker section. It's right time to improve our weaker section. So that's all about quant. And moving to current affairs. Now this is very unpredictable, but still we have to do our part, And for this I have read many sources, but this is what I came down to. First is Smartkeeda mock drill. I know everyone knows this, but still I'm mentioning it again. So what you have to do is just read the weekly PDF. You have 7 days for a PDF, so that's more than enough. Just read the weekly PDF and then attempt the quiz for the same. So you will be good to go. And if you still want to watch any videos, so I would recommend HP Success Classes videos. I watched him and his content is really great, and his method of teaching and memorizing the current affairs is also amazing. So you can watch him. And also Sheetal ma'am is very famous in her field, so yes, her marathon are also amazing, so you can also watch her too. But do check out this channel. And for static awareness, there are multiple PDFs in the market in Telegram channels. You can just search and ask for it. You'll get plenty of static awareness PDFs. And again, this is no sponsored of any channel, YouTube channel or anything. It's just my personal preference which I am advising you. And now moving to computer section. In this, the OG is Sachin Arora sir. So what I like to do is, if you don't have command or any previous experience in computer, then you can watch his concept videos. He has made a playlist of 85 videos, I think something, in which he has covered all the topics and MCQs also. So that really helps. And if you are already a pro, like you have the basic knowledge of computer, then you can just watch the playlist of the respective exam you are giving and you will be good to go. And also there are many PDFs in the market for computer revision, like Arihant or Olive Board. So you can just pick that up for the revision. And that's it for computer. Now moving to descriptive section. In descriptive, the format of formal letter is already pre-decided, so you can just learn that template and just you have to write the main content there. So this is very easy, and it's easy to score there. Now moving to essays. In essays, there are many content PDFs which you get for the material and information. So this is the Telegram channel, Descriptive Prep Today, and there are many topics in this channel for the essays, so you can just see it and see if you like it. So that's that. And now if you want to practice and increase your typing speed, you can use this Monkey Type website and you can just increase your speed. It's very good. And when you are practicing, or if you are practicing, you can use ChatGPT to make sure that there is no error or rectify any error. So this is all about descriptive and all about each subjects actually. Last but not the least, consistency and active efforts can make a huge difference. So don't underestimate yourself. Give your all, and just like everyone, one day one result will change your life, and for good. So these are not just any words. Like, we face this, we all are in the same, and we all have same struggles. So don't get disheartened. Just do your part and trust the process, and everything will be good. And this is my strategy. If you want to give it a try, you can. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply them. And that's it. Thank you.